All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Mr. Joshua Finch, and this is Tammy Vallieres, and I'm your Star Hero Guide, and this is the Hero Teacher, and we are here to take you on a drawing adventure. I'm super excited, and you need to get your markers ready, so make sure they're working, and I'm going to teach you how to draw me and Tammy. So Joshua and Tammy came together to bring Tammy's stories and structures and systems, and Mr. Joshua's play and fun and adventure, and his cartoons, and his collaboration. That's what it's all about, is when two heroes come together and activate their hearts. Oh my goodness. You will only imagine what can come out of it. So today, I want us to play in drawing our two hero guides. Alright, so we get to draw Mr. Joshua. So we're going to start with a big circle. Not too big, not too small. Make sure you're seeing where you're at on the paper. Some spiky zigzag hair. Really happy eyes. A line under the eyes. So that's a curve, and a line. Any of you know what the artist name line for that is? That's a horizontal line. Super happy with another little horizontal. Yeah, that looks like Mr. Joshua there. And another line down. Another line down. So those are lines, and if you call them lines, that's awesome. But what if you were using your artist brain? What kind of line would you call those? You'd call them vertical lines and a horizontal line. And then you'd also do some more vertical lines for my legs. And another horizontal line for my waist. Now my arm goes down here, but I'm going to have Tammy over here, so I'm going to go up this way. So I'm going to put my hand up that way. And my other one, I could have it there, but I think I'm just going to leave it down here, so I'm just going to do another one down there. Okay, then I'm going to put my hero cape. Did you know when I met Miss Tammy Vallieres, she taught me so much about the hero's journey? I had heard of it once or twice, and maybe a little here and there, but man, did she love the hero's journey. And she really taught me a lot about the hero's journey. And I actually worked with her every day. And we would play and create magic in every kind of way. I worked with her every day. We were a team over and over and over and again. And we created some beautiful stuff. And that's what we're doing here today, is when you learn how to play together as a team, we like to call that the goose power. And that's where birds of a feather flock together, and they actually fly farther. Did you know when geese, a bunch of gooses, right? Geese, when they all come together, they can actually go like 70%, 60 or 70% further. So look right there, those are the bangs. So basically, when you join as a team and you come together, you can go further than where if you were by yourself. So there's her beautiful hair. And I like having a nice curve, so a curve an action curve. Is good for heroes with like that little curve. And then make sure when you do it again, you start skinny here and get a little bit wider. And I want her to be super happy, like kind of taken off. Because she's like so happy to be drawing next to me. Like, what? Get to draw with Mr. Joshua. So one foot's there and the other foot is off the ground because she's so happy. And sorry Annie, I'm gonna have to move you a second. Oh, you know what? I wanted that hand to be curved down, but that's okay. So now I have Mr. Joshua and Miss Tammy Vallieres, and we are a hero team, and we are here to help you activate your north. Can anybody guess? So up, down, left, right, and a W. Your North Star, which is your higher hero self. So when we help you find your star power, you can shine only every hour, every minute, all day. You get to play in your power. So cool. We are a team. So a team is this. Watch, I'm going to spell this a little funky. So this is not going to be like your normal school class team. This is going to be a different one. So I feel like maybe teamwork here or team here. But watch, this is what I learned in school. So I learned with lots of really cool mentors when I taught all these kids in school. So T, so don't go this way because we're not going to do that. T, E, A, M. So team, and this is what I learned from some other really cool teachers when I was in all these different schools for so many years, over 10 years. Together. T-O-G, to G, together. Together. Every E-V-E-R, every one, O-N-E. So you have to be really mindful when you're spelling, when you're an artist, because when you're drawing words, it's not the same as writing words. They're actually a picture. And that's really unique to me because everyone achieves, A-C-H, I-E-V-E-S. Ooh, see, I always struggle with spelling. I'm going to have to check. 1 second. So like I was saying, so achieves, A-C-H-I-E-V-E, achieves. Together, everyone achieves. Can we guess it? 4-letter word. O-R-E. Everyone achieves more. This is teamwork. And together we are working together to help you find your North Star. So that's a really fun word, team, T-E-A-M. And then you can remember it together, everyone achieves more. So when you work together, you get to go further. Just like our goose, which I'm sure you're going to find out more about. But this is Mr. Joshua Finch, your Star Hero Guide, and Miss Tammy Vallieres, your hero teacher. we're here to help you learn how to work together and get more done, so that way we can bring more light into the world. So, as Miss Tammy taught me, the light in me sees the light in you. And I like to say, get out there and do what we were called to do. Love you guys. Have a good one. Mr. Joshua here, signing out.